Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save a video from Facebook Creator Studio to a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Facebook and a like page and a video that was uploaded to Creator Studio. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio. And then make sure that you are signed into your account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Content. Wait for that to load. Then we should have some published videos within Creator Studio. And now what we can do is go to any video. We are not required to click the video. In fact, we can click on the three dots, which is options, and then we can perform a variety of tasks that we may require. However, in this tutorial, we are looking to download the video that we own, that we have rights to, directly to, let's just say, our computer, as we may want to re-edit, recompose, re-export the full video if we ever needed to. And we can click on download HD. Standard definition or high definition, we want HD. Click on this. We will then receive an option to change the video name. I'll just do that. I'll just remove the current title of the video and then choose a name for myself. Let's just say video 1.mp4. We'll save directly to the desktop. Click on save. That should now be saving. That has now been saved. And this is a video from my Creator Studio on Facebook, downloaded to the Mac computer in real time. So we can now quit QuickTime Player, go back one, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.